Hi, I'm Stacy with Venture Accelerator Partners, and today I'll be talking about optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile is key to standing out and attracting the right opportunities, whether you're looking for a new job opportunity or new customers and potential clients. Here are some actionable tips that you can take to help polish your profile. The most important is starting with a professional profile picture. Choose a clear, high-quality photo where you're dressed professionally. A headshot with a neutral background works best. Aim for a friendly but approachable look. No selfies, group shots, or overly casual photos. Choose a custom URL. Personalizing your LinkedIn URL is easy, and it can make it easier to share and look more professional. You can do this by going to your profile and clicking Edit, Public Profile, and URL on the right side. Adding your full name or even just your first name can really help you get noticed. Craft a strong value proposition with your headline. Your headline is the first thing that people see outside of your profile picture. It should go beyond your job title. Include what you do and how you help people. For example, digital marketing strategist helping brands increase online visibility through SEO and content strategy. Add an engaging summary in the About section. Think of this as your elevator pitch. This is an opportunity for you to highlight your expertise, passions, and what you're looking for. You can use first-person tone to make it personal, focus on your skills and experiences, and also offer that unique value proposition. Your experience section. Be specific. Instead of just listing job titles, describe your responsibilities, achievements, and how you made an impact. Using quantifiable metrics to show your contributions will go a long way. Prioritize the most relevant positions to the type of roles that you're aiming for now. Skills and endorsements. Add key skills that align with your career goals. LinkedIn allows up to 50 skills, but focus on the ones that showcase your expertise and relevance in your field. Ask colleagues or supervisors to endorse you and your skills to add further credibility. Recommendations. Ask for recommendations from colleagues, managers, or clients. A well-written recommendation can provide a powerful social proof of your abilities. Don't be afraid to offer recommendations to others first. They'll often return the favor. Showcase your accomplishments. Add any certifications, awards, or projects that demonstrate your expertise. Attach any media that's relevant, including presentations, articles, or videos, to show off your work to further illustrate your impact. Networking. Engage regularly, and this is something that a lot of people don't do on the platform. Build your network by connecting with colleagues, peers, and industry professionals. Be active. Like, comment, and share relevant content to stay visible. And join relevant LinkedIn groups to engage with like-minded professionals. Use keywords for search optimization. Think about keywords that hiring managers or industry peers might search for when you're looking for someone with your skills. Integrate these keywords naturally in your summary, experience, and skills section. Content sharing. Regularly share posts, articles, and thoughts related to your industry to position yourself as a thought leader and expert in your field. Share your own accomplishments or highlight projects you're working on. Contact information. This might seem like an obvious one, but a lot of people get this wrong. Ensure that your contact information is up to date. This is where you can add your personal website or portfolio if you have one. And finally, always be authentic. LinkedIn can feel like a very corporate space, but that doesn't mean that you need to sound robotic. You can show personality, share your true passions, and make your profile reflect who you are both professionally and personally. If you're looking for more help around this topic, please connect with us at vapartners.ca.